all of you get ready for the next performance as it is going to shake the stage, shake this hall, and maybe even your heartbeat.
Absolutely. Coming up next is a performance that is cuter than chocolate, louder than popcorn, and I bet it's more energetic than 100 batteries combined.
Yes, because when for standard rock stars dance, even the light starts dancing with them.
And the song, oh the song, when the moment it begins, I bet your feet will automatically go mambatia mambatia.
So everyone get ready, the cutest storm of the morning is going to hit the stage.
And now, performing with full energy, full swag and full cuteness, our first standard rock stars performing the vibrant and power-packed mambatia dance.
ചൂടുകളിൽ ചെറുപ്രായത്തിന്റെ ചാബല്യവും മുഖഭാവങ്ങളിൽ തിളങ്ങുന്ന സന്തോഷവും എല്ലാം ചേർന്ന് ഈ വേദിയിൽ ഒരു പുതുമയും പുത്തവും ഊർജ്ജവും നൽകാൻ അവർ എത്തുന്നു.
Para que the mama